Okay, finally back. I'm in a much better spirits. Look at that. Good afternoon or evening, whatever time it is. Where are we? We're freaking back in Grumpy's. Okay, tonight we're gonna do a fast, quick and easy 2 items. And tonight's items are, I'm gonna do a cranberry relish with an orange marmalade, sugar, using Grumpy's mugs for Christmas, and water. Where you want, basically the recipe is 2 cups of cranberries. Okay. This is 2 cups of water, just enough to cover the back. 12 ounces of sugar. Okay. We want to stir that a little bit so it can dissolve. Okay. Just want to get dissolving. I'm gonna let that bring to a boil. You know what? I can't see. Then what I do is I get some of this orange marmalade. Don't get the fancy stuff. Get cheap shit. Okay? It's only $1.89. So you want 5 ounces of the orange marmalade. Put that in there. This is really super easy, inexpensive, and idiot-proof. Okay? So I let that stir everything in, and what I do is I put 1 jalapeno in there. If you don't, it's too spicy for you, it's not going to be spicy. It's going to be actually very good. And I just put that in there. I let it sit in here until it boils away. As it boils away, you want to cook it down to about half of the original size. It'll congeal, and it'll come up, voila, and all. And that's what it is. Okay. You let it cool in the refrigerator, and you're done. You just pour it in a stainless steel container, or I prefer plastic, but right now I'm in the stainless steel. And I let it sit, holds up to about 3 weeks. Okay, thank you. Good night.